What's up guys, welcome back to my channel. Before I start on the video, please help me subscribe and click that notification bell so every time I have new videos you guys can be updated. But working on a 2010 Mercedes-Benz E350 3.5 liter. Right now the check engine light code is for the purge valve minor leak. So for the purge valve here, this is original, I bought from Mercedes. This is the part number. You can see this is the part number right here. This is what the purge valve look like. One connector and two hoses connected to it, and it's located right next to the windshield washer reservoir. And there's one connector holding on to it. Press on the clip right here, press on it, pull, and for you to remove the hose, you're gonna break out this clamps right here. You have to break it off in order for you to get the hose off. In the small flathead, and I shove it in here, shove it in between here, and then just pry it out, and then that way it pops the lock out. And then I use the needle nose plier, this one right here, to kind of clamp it on the hose right here and twisting it. And then I use the pry tool clip to this part right here to shove it in here, right here to pry it out. Now to make my life a little bit easier, I put a little bit of grease on the hose right here where the line goes in. That way when I put them in, it's a little bit easier to slide in. So it's kind of hard to do this with one hand, but there you go. I also give it new clamps too. Right here, the new clamps. And then this side. Damn, it's hard doing one hand. There you go, push it all the way in, tighten down the clamps, put it back on the bracket, reconnect the connector. See, I've got the parts back, tighten down everything, and the connector. So with the old purge valve, when I smoke leak tested, I put the smoke through here, and it was a slight, very small, very tiny leak. It was lingering out from this side, so the smoke comes out very slow. I checked the valve, I put power into it, it opens and closes normally, but the slight leak was just coming out of this side, so that's why the code said it's a minor leak. I'm gonna show you the code again. Purge control has a slight leak right there, very small leak, so I'm just gonna clear it now. This one is very simple and easy, so nothing crazy. Okay, so key off, key back on, and that's it guys. So it's pretty easy problem to fix. If you guys have any comment down below. Ask me anything you want to ask me. I'll try to get back to you as soon as possible. Like, share, and subscribe guys. I'll see you guys on the next video. Peace.